One bad campground connection can do more than trip a breaker. Low voltage, incorrect wiring, or a sudden surge can put expensive RV equipment at risk before you know anything is wrong. The right protector depends on whether you need basic warnings, automatic shutdown, permanent installation, or phone monitoring. These 5 options cover each type of buyer, so you can choose the protection that fits your RV. We begin with the Nilight 30-amp RV Surge Protector. This is the practical entry point for occasional campers and smaller travel trailers. It adds a basic layer of protection between the RV and shore power. Nilight rates it at 2,100 joules. The indicator lights can identify several common pedestal wiring faults before you connect the RV. A protective cover helps shield the RV side connection outdoors. The important distinction is simple. This is a surge protector and circuit analyzer, not a full electrical management system. It does not provide the same automatic response or detailed monitoring as the models ahead of it. The Nilight makes sense when simple protection fits your travel routine. It is the wrong match when you want automatic disconnection during unsafe voltage conditions. Moving to permanent protection, the next option is the Progressive Industries. This model suits RV owners who want protection installed inside the rig. It is hardwired between the power inlet and the electrical panel. You no longer have a separate box to unpack, secure at the pedestal, or remember before departure. The system can disconnect the RV when it detects unsafe voltage or common wiring faults. Its remote display brings power and fault information to a convenient location inside the RV. This arrangement makes sense for owners who expect to keep the same rig for several years. Installation is the main compromise. The HW30C is not designed to move between RVs, and professional installation may be the sensible choice for many buyers. It is a strong fit when permanent. Always present protection matters more than portability. Southwire takes a different approach with the SurgeGuard 34931. It suits buyers who want useful information directly on the protector. The integrated LCD shows power conditions without requiring a phone. Its thermal protection also monitors the plug and receptacle for overheating. That heat monitoring matters at older or heavily used campground pedestals. A worn connection can become hot even when the outlet appears normal. Southwire also designed the unit to disconnect during unsafe high or low voltage. A restart delay gives the air conditioner compressor time to settle before power returns. The larger hanging design needs more room at the pedestal. Its added protection also places it above the entry-level class. The 34931 fits buyers who value a built-in display and thermal awareness more than compact size. For phone-centered monitoring, consider the Power Watchdog PWD30 EPO from Hughes Autoformers. Bluetooth sends power and fault information to a phone. You can check campground power without standing next to the pedestal. That access is useful during setup or after an unexpected shutdown. The EPO version can disconnect the RV when conditions move outside its safe range. It then delays reconnection to help protect the air conditioner compressor. Hughes rates this 30-amp model at 3,000 joules. The replaceable surge module is another practical advantage because a major surge does not automatically make the entire protector disposable. Bluetooth also creates the main compromise. The smart features require an app, initial setup, and a compatible phone. The Power Watchdog earns its place when remote information and a replaceable surge module justify that extra layer of technology. Buyers who want everything displayed on the unit may prefer a more traditional design. The final pick is the Progressive Industries EMS PT30X. It takes the best overall position because it combines automatic electrical management, portable installation, and a clear local display. It suits RV owners who visit different campgrounds and want broad protection without permanently modifying the rig. The system checks the power source before connecting the RV. It can disconnect during unsafe voltage and several common wiring or frequency faults. The display identifies the condition that caused a shutdown. This gives you useful information when you speak with campground staff. A weather shield covers the RV side connection, while the handle makes the unit easier to manage at the pedestal. The EMS PT30X does not offer the phone-centered experience of the Power Watchdog. It also remains outside the RV, so it should be secured at the campsite and remembered before departure. Those compromises do not weaken its main role. This is the strongest general choice for buyers who want full protection, straightforward operation, and portability in one package. The final decision becomes easier when you match the protector to your camping style. The Nilight covers the basics. The EMS HW30C provides permanent protection. The Southwire 34931 emphasizes its display and thermal monitoring. The Power Watchdog adds phone access and a replaceable module. The EMS PT30X delivers the most balanced option for general RV travel. You can check current prices and availability through the links in the description. Make sure you select the 30-amp version that matches your RV connection. If this guide helped you choose the right level of protection, subscribe to Smarty Choices for more camping, RV, and off-grid problem-solving gear guides. Safe travels, and choose the equipment that fits the way you actually use your RV.